Hey there! Want to know how to sell your XRP on Binance? Let me walk you through it. First things first, log into your Binance account. If you haven't set one up yet, it's super easy. Just head over to Binance.com and follow the prompts. Next, you need to deposit your XRP tokens into your Binance wallet. Click on Wallet at the top of the screen, then Fiat and Spot, and search for XRP. Click Deposit, and you'll get an address to send your XRP to. Now let's get to the exciting part. Selling your XRP. Head over to the Exchange section by clicking on Trade at the top menu and select Classic or Advanced Trading View. Don't worry if it looks complex at first. We're focusing on the basics. Search for the XRP USD trading pair in the top right corner. Found it? Great! Now, in the middle of the screen, you'll see a section labeled Sell XRP. Enter the amount of XRP you want to sell. You can either type it in or use the slider to choose a percentage of your total XRP balance. Decide what type of sell order you want to place: market, limit, or stop limit. For simplicity, let's go with a market order. It will sell your XRP at the current market price. Click Sell XRP, and you're done. Once your sell order is completed, you'll have USD in your Binance account. Ready to cash out? Go back to your wallet, select Fiat and Spot, find USD, and click Withdraw. Choose your preferred withdrawal method and follow the instructions. And that's it. Selling XRP on Binance is straightforward once you get the hang of it. Happy trading!